Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a review section into your site on Wix. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm already on Wix on my editor page. So I'll be going through this and explain to you guys how you can add a review section. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into pages and menu, and I'm going to add a new page for the reviews. So for example, go to new page. I'll add a blank page. It really doesn't matter what you use. You can use a template if you like it. I'm just gonna go blank and I'm gonna name it reviews. Click done, and I'm gonna drag this all the way to the bottom of the menu. Now that we're done with that, we can start adding a new section if we want to. Now, what you can do if you, for example, have your service or your company on Google and you have the Google reviews which you want to add, you can easily copy the HTML code or the element code of that page and go here, click on embed code, and then go into popular embeds and select embed HTML, add that element, resize it to your liking, but you can add your code over here. Make sure code is selected, and you can add the HTML code here so that that page appears here in the embedded section. You can, as I mentioned, resize it, and you can add Google reviews here so that people can browse through them if you would like to. Now, what you can also do is you can go into add section and go down until you see testimonials. Click on that, and you here have some options and some templates for testimonials. You can choose whichever one you would like. I'll use this one, for example, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. You can even scroll through it with these arrows. I show you how in the preview page, but as you can see, you have the name and location of the person, and you have the testimonial, and you can very easily edit them and scroll through them if you want to, like so. But if I go back to the editor and double click it, I will be able to manage the slides and change the slide background to whatever I want. And as you can see, this is the first slide, and here you can rename it, duplicate it, or delete it. You can, I'm pretty sure, add a new slide and then edit that slide as well. I'm not really sure where you can edit the text of these slides. Yeah, as you can see, you just need to go into quick edit, and as you can see, the paragraph is over here, and that is exactly how you make your reviews or testimonials on your site. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.